Combining the strength of reinforced concrete pipe with a corrosion-resistant liner and a leak-free joint, Perfect Pipe by Geneva Pipe and Precast is revolutionizing wastewater systems. The HDPE lining protects concrete from microbial induced corrosion commonly present in municipal sanitary sewers, extending the design life of the system to 100 years or more. Perfect Pipe offers high abrasion resistance, easy weld-free installation, and unmatched strength to support high loads. The result? A long-lasting, low-maintenance system and significant long-term savings. Perfect Pipe is manufactured in the USA at our precast facility in Orem, Utah. The manufacturing process begins with the Perfect liner. On one side, the liner has thousands of anchors that will be embedded into the concrete, ensuring a secure connection with the pipe. The first step is cutting the liner to fit the pipe diameter. Our certified welders then weld the liner seam to form a cylinder. The seam is spark tested to confirm a 100% leak-free weld and complete protection from corrosion. Next, the Perfect liner cylinder heads to the liner expansion station. Here, the liner ends are heated and expanded. A steel ring is inserted to keep the shape during concrete pouring. Later, the steel ring will be replaced with the pipe coupler. The expanded protective liner is then fitted into the Perfect pipe form. A steel cage is dropped over the liner to reinforce the concrete. Plastic spacers ensure even spacing between the liner, steel cage, and concrete form. Swift lift anchors are then secured to the form. Perfect Pipe is made with self-consolidating concrete, or SCC, mixed from a precision blend of aggregates, cement, water, and superplasticizers. SCC is highly flowable and ideal for filling the voids around the liner anchors. The fresh SCC mix is released into the Perfect Pipe form, and the top is carefully floated for a level finish. The concrete is then left to cure. The Perfect Pipe form may be covered during this time to ensure ideal curing conditions. Once the concrete is cured, the Perfect Pipe form is stripped, revealing a fully integrated product. The anchored liner is now securely connected to the concrete, and the steel ring is replaced with the internal coupler. Perfect Pipe's internal joint coupler requires no field welding, reducing installation time and costs. Dual tilting edge gaskets pressed against the smooth liner provide a watertight seal, with a hydrostatic pressure rating of 36 psi. Swift lift anchors securely cast into the pipe exterior allow for easy transfer by forklift, excavator, or crane. Perfect Pipe is available in standard sizes, 24 to 60 inches in diameter, with the weld-free internal coupler included. Larger sizes are available with field-welded joints. Perfect Pipe connects to most existing sanitary sewer systems and is designed to pair with our lined concrete manhole for a 100% lined corrosion-free system. Ready to revolutionize your wastewater infrastructure? Contact us about using Perfect Pipe for your next project or explore the Perfect system at nwpipe.com.